Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Rajan, a faculty of Social Studies, Montessori group of school. In the last class we have studied about the making of map, that is cartography, and moreover we have discussed about the different factors which we have to remember while making a map. In the last class we studied the direction of the map. Today we are going to study about a new topic, subtopic, is known as scale of the map. Scale of the map. Scale or distance on a map. Scale or distance on a map. Scale or distance on a map. Already we discussed about the scale of the map at the beginning. Do you know what is a scale? Can you remember that? A scale of a map shows actual distance of a place into a reduced manner on a map. We already said that it is not possible to draw the same distance on a map. So, the map maker or a cartographer always selecting certain reduced measurement, that is known as a scale. Once again, scale is showing actual distance of a place into a reduced manner on a map. So, let us learn this with the help of an example. We already shared about the Mallika and Laila. Both Mallika and Laila were friends and they met together at their home. We already shared in the last classes. Now, let us take the help of that two students for understanding the distance or the understanding the scale of a map. Okay. Now, on a pleasant evening, Mallika took Laila to see the village stream. What is stream? What is stream? A stream is a small river or a tributary of a river or small branch of a river. Mallika and Laila went outside on a fine evening and for seeing the surrounding area of their village. They walked over the bridge. While they were walking here and there, once they walked through a bridge also. The bridge had a lamp post at equal distance. That bridge had many lamp posts. What is a lamp post? Lamp posts means for providing the light at night. The many posts are erected in that place and fixed the lamp on it for providing the light. That posts are known as lamp posts. Many lamp posts are erected on the bridge at equal distance. Each and every lamp posts are in equal distance. So, and Laila was observing that lamp posts, the distance between two posts is 100 meters. Each and every post's distance between two posts, that is 100 meters. 100 meters. Length of the bridge 500 meters. Total length of the bridge 500 meters. I will draw that same bridge on this board. Now, let us see how is that bridge. It is not a real bridge. I am drawing only a sketch of that bridge. Lamp posts, this there are 6 posts. There are 6 posts to this bridge. This actual bridge. This is a picture of actual bridge. Actual bridge. So, distance between each posts here is 100 meter. meters. Here also 100 meters. Here 100 meters. Here also 100 meters. 100 meters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here posts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 posts. Total 6 posts. The distance between the 2 posts are 100 meters. Here 100 meters, 100 all are in equal distance. All are in equal distance. So, total length of the bridge is equal to 500 here. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 is equal to 500. 500 meters. This is an actual bridge which Laila and Mallika crossed. When they reached at home, Laila wanted to draw a sketch on a paper. When both of them reached at home, Laila decided to draw a sketch of that bridge on a paper because she was so interested to draw that. She wanted to know the measurement and she has taken a paper and started to draw a sketch of the map. Laila wanted to draw a sketch on a paper. When she drew a post, she took equal distance. Same way, when she started to draw that this posts, all the 6 posts, she has drawn it that also into equal length. But we know that it is not possible to draw all this 100 meters on a paper. 500 meters long or width paper we will not get. So, that is not possible. What she has done, she selected a scale. Scale means not this type of mathematical scale. Scale we already discussed. Scale means the actual distance, showing actual distance into a reduced manner on a map is known as a scale. The 500 meters we cannot draw on the board because that for each and every 100 meters taking a reduced amount, reduced measurement number, that is known as a scale. Let us see how is the bridge, sketch of the Laila's bridge. Moreover, the distance between the first and last post was 5 centimeters. The Laila has drawn a sketch here. It is like this. Total 6 posts, 1, 2, 3, then 4th, 5th and 6th. She has drawn 6 posts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six posts, and she cannot take the 100 meters here. What she has done, instead of 100 meter, she has taken only 1 centimeter, 1 cm, 1 centimeter. Here also she has taken only 1 centimeter. Here also 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. It means here the actual bridge has 100 meter between two posts, but in the case of this sketch map, sketch drawn by Laila, she has taken only 1 centimeter, because that is, this 500 meters is not possible to draw on a paper. And here total length of a bridge is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. This is a sketch. Sketch drawn by Laila. This sketch drawn by Laila, it is a actual bridge. In the case of actual bridge, total length was 500 meters, and each area, that is between two posts, length were 100 meters each, but here between two posts length she has taken only 1 centimeter, because that is only possible to draw on her paper. So it is a 5 centimeter. So 500 meters reduced into 5 centimeter. And here total length is 500 kilometers. 5 centimeter. Here 500 meter. So in this way she made a sketch. Then now let us see the distance between the first and last post was 5 centimeter. Here distance between first post to last post is 5 centimeter. Here distance between first post to last post 500 meters. Sketch was much smaller than the actual bridge. When comparing to this actual bridge, this sketch is very, very small. It is not very vast or wide or long. It is very small type of sketch she has made. So same things is happening while map is making. A map maker always considering the length distance and reducing the distance into a small unit. Otherwise it is not possible to draw on a map. If drawing India map, we know this is India from Jammu and Kashmir to up to Kanyakumari. It is around 2500 kilometers are there. It is not possible to draw this on a paper. So reduced length is taking for drawing a map. Now let us see, the sketch was much smaller than the actual bridge. The total distance of the Laila's sketch 5 centimeter. Laila's sketch total length is 5 centimeter. At the same time, in the sketch distance between two posts only 1 centimeter only. Here 500 meters and 100 meters. So relations between distance on the bridge has given in the sketch like this. It's an actual sketch. Here sketch. Here actual bridge. The case of sketch and actual bridge we can see. Here sketch it has taken 1 centimeter. For here it has taken 100 meters. It means 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. Here is the total length is 500 centimeter. 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. At the same time here is a 500 meter. 500 meters. So listen here now. So in a sketch and actual bridge we can see the difference. Here 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meters. 5 centimeter is equal to 500 meters. We know 5 into 100. 5 into 100 we will get to 500. This way we got this. So in this way we can reduce the actual distance into a small unit, that is known as a scale. This is called the scale. Once again, what is a scale? A scale is showing the actual distance of a place or an area into a reduced one, is known as a scale. We use this scale to show actual distance in a reduced manner. Map always uses this scale. Without a scale, it is not possible to draw a map, because we studied that map an area, it is a picture of an area, it is a very vast regions, it is not possible to draw same length and width on a paper. So, scale is very essential for drawing a map. We can find out actual distance by using scale. Moreover, if you are using the scale, we can find out the actual distance of the map also. Suppose if you are using a scale and we can measure this here 100 meter, and if you are taking the 1 centimeter, we can multiply and we can find out the actual distance. Now, remaining part we can study in the next class. I would like to give a home task. So, you have to learn what is a scale and what is the use of scale in a map, and find out distance between two places from a map. You take your atlas book and look at scale which has given in that map. In each and every map in your atlas book, scale will give that. You look that scale and measure two places difference with your scale and find out what is the actual distance of that place. That is your homework. Thank you. We can meet next class.